Alright, so in this short tutorial I want to show you how you can enable a traffic script. And just like in the case of the vehicle and the radio, it's a two-step process. So first you should enable the traffic first you have to decide what kind of traffic. We currently support AERPAW, in which case you need to enable traffic in at least 2 nodes. So you can say server here on node 2, which is a base station. For us, we select the base station to be on node 2. For node 1, we selected an UE there, so you can put a client there. Or if you're selecting ping as your traffic, you don't need to have traffic on both sides, so you can simply just select ping on the UE side, for example. So what we'll do here is first select enable traffic. So we edit the start experiment.sh, and we already enabled the radio. On top of the radio, we're gonna now put traffic, save it, exit. I want to show you that we don't have traffic selected here at all, right? So then step 2 is to have that start traffic start something, because right now there is no script there. So we go to profiles, profile scripts, traffic, and like in the other cases, we have here 2 directories, helpers and samples. And if you look into samples, you'll find a bunch of sample scripts, and we're gonna engage the start ping. So to do that, copy from samples start ping.sh into start traffic.sh. Okay, and now we're set up to start the experiment. So we're gonna clear everything, then we're gonna start experiment on node 2, which is gonna be the base station. Confirm that everything started, screen -ls. Yep, it looks good. Actually, we can peek into the inode B, screen -r radio inode B. Alright, it's up, it's waiting on the right frequencies. Let's give it a client. So to do that, start experiment on the UE side, confirm it started, screen -ls. Yep, we have radio. Well, actually I can see there that it's working. So if I say screen -r radio, you'll see a happily connected LTE, and I can also see the traffic. So screen -r traffic shows you the pings going through and coming round trip time at a good clip. Okay, so this is how you can select and start the traffic, and like always, you can stop everything by going all stop experiment. It's gonna instantly terminate all the processes.